Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to unbox the MI11 smartphone, friends. As you can see, so this is a MI11 device, and after a long time, I was waiting for this MI11 phone to be arrived, but because of this pandemic situation, my order got a delay. So finally, here is a video, friends, for you all. So from now, I'll try to compare the MI11 with other smartphones as well. And recently, I reviewed the Realme X7 Pro, which has Dimensity 1000 plus. Even I'll try to do so many videos with this phone in terms of the display and performance and other comparisons. And even I do have the OnePlus 8T as well, which has the Snapdragon 865. So there are so many other couple of phones with me, Realme X2 Pro, Snapdragon 855 plus. So definitely stay tuned, friends, for more upcoming and interesting videos on this MI11. So let's start with the unboxing process. And we everyone knew that the MI11 doesn't include the charger in the box, and these I think they started to include the charger later on, but in the beginning they did not include the charger. So this is a phone which I ordered when the charger is not included, unfortunately. So maybe in the future, if I can buy the charger separately, I'll try to do the charging test. But meanwhile, the charging test gonna be waiting for some time. So we do have the SIM card pin in this box, and we do have the case as well, so which is a normal transparent case, as you can see, but it is not that stiff enough. So usually we will be seeing with some kind of strong cases, but this is not kind of strong, I would say, definitely for this kind of premium phone. And definitely, friends, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, because I'll try to do so many videos on this MI11 as soon as possible by comparing with all other smartphones. So that's why make sure to subscribe and follow me, friends. And here is the device itself, as you can see, friends, finally. And we do have only the phone in the box. There is no charger and cable included in the box, as I said. So there is no charger included, and it is a phone, so which is really good, friends. Even the back side is also gloss, so which is really interesting mobile phone for me. And this is a kind of a premium phone, I would say, definitely. So let's see what my impressions will be there about this phone in the future after using for some days. So I'll try to do every day a couple of videos uploading on this device, friends. And let's get into the specifications of this phone, what it packs. So first, the phone has the 6.8 inches of screen size, as you can, 6.8 inches screen size, and which is of Quad HD resolution and 120 Hz display refresh rate, and which is also Gorilla Glass Victor, so which is kind of strong Gorilla Glass protection front and the front side, and even the back side is kind of gloss as well. So that's another advantage here. And we finished the talking about display. So let's move to the camera. So camera, we do have the three cameras. So 108 megapixel camera, main sensor, and next is a ultra wide sensor and the macro sensor. So there is no telescope sensor in this phone. So that's a part about the camera. And the maximum it can record up to 8K video recording. So definitely in the future, I'll try to do the 8K recording as well. And there's a front cam as well, and which is of 20 megapixel. So the phone weight is also really less. It's only 196 grams, so it's not that too heavy as well. So dual stereo speaker setup, Wi-Fi 6 connection, Snapdragon 888 processor in this phone. So very soon I'll try to do all the impressions about this phone, friends. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and try to check my channel every day, because every day I'll try to upload so many videos, close to 6 to 7 videos. So you might not be receiving the notification, so that's why it's better to check my channel every day, so to get all the updates about this MI11, and when compared with the other smartphones as well. So most of the users recently they bought the Realme X7 Pro. At least if you can watch my videos, you'll get to know how the Dimensity 1000 plus is compared with this Snapdragon 888 processor. And that's it, friends. These are the quick unboxing initial impressions of this phone. I didn't expect the phone like they'll be removing the charger, unfortunately. So this is a case. So we was supposed to get about 55 watt fast charging in the box, but they did not include. So maybe I'll try to ask the charger for later on. So let's see what's gonna happen. But meanwhile, I'll try to use other chargers which I'm having in my channel. Like I will try to use the OnePlus 8Ts and other smartphones charger. So let's see whether they will be compatible or not. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick unboxing video and experience of this phone, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.